Now vector product of orthonormal vectors, vector I cap, sorry I cap, j cap and k cap. Now let I cap, j cap and k cap be the orthonormal triad of unit vector. Now we are having vector I cross vector I, if we are taking vector over the I cap, okay. Now this is equal to 0. What is the result? Result is vector A cross vector B is equal to 0 when vector A is parallel to vector B. Now here I cap dot I cap is equal to 0 because I cap and I cap means they are coinciding each other. Similarly, cross product of j cap j is equal to 0 is equal to is it clear? So we are having now, let us fill it, cross product of I cap I 0, cross product of j cap j 0, cross product k cap k 0. Now now let us go for from this figure as simple with the anti-clockwise direction. Now I am moving with anti-clockwise, okay. Now I cross j product, this is equal to magnitude of I, magnitude of j cap sine 90 degree with k cap. Now I, j and k. Now this is equal to 1 times 1 times 1 times k cap is equal to k cap. Now what the reason here we are taking? Now because in place of n cap I have taken k cap, okay, because I cap, j cap and k cap, because I cap, j cap and k cap forms a right handed system, okay. Now similarly, now we moved anti-clockwise ij, result was k, okay. Then similarly now we are moving with j cross I. Now j cross k cap, sorry, j cross k cap is equal to I cap and k cross I cap is equal to j cap. Is it clear? So we are having three results, first, second and third. Now I with j cap it was k cap, then I with j cap, then j with k cap, j with k cap it was I cap, and then k with I cap, k with I cap it was j cap, okay. Like this I am just making you to remember in a very nice manner, okay. Also now we are having, suppose now it is j cross I. Now earlier I took I cross j, now it is j cross I. J cross I means what? Now I am moving in this direction. Now I am moving in this direction clockwise, okay. So now this becomes magnitude of j cap, magnitude of I cap then sine 90 degree with negative of k cap. Okay, n cap is equal to negative of k cap. 1 times 1 times 1 with negative of k cap, and this is equal to negative of k cap. Now because j cap, I cap and negative of k cap will form a right handed system. Is it clear? This will form a right handed system. Now similarly, now moving towards clockwise direction. Now I took j and I, you are going to take with I cap cross k cap. Now I cap cross k cap will be negative of j cap, and k cap cross j cap, this will be equal to negative of I cap. Now j cap cross k cap, sorry, it is j with j cap I cap, okay, 1, then I cap k cap, and then k cap j cap. Okay, now j cap I cap negative of k cap, then k cap, okay, I sorry. So this becomes now negative of j cap, and this becomes negative of I cap. Okay? Yeah, now it's perfectly alright. So best part to learn is just make a circle like this. When you are approaching anti-clockwise direction, cross products will be positive and the preceding one will be the answer. Okay, j, k, I will be the answer. And if you are moving anti-clockwise direction, then negative results will be there.